Hi.
Hi.
Good morning. Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
I see you from Nightjar. Nightjar.
Yes.
Yes. Hi. Good morning. Welcome. How are you? How are you?
Thank you. How are you?
Very good. Thank you. Let me introduce myself. I'm Jane, and from Lightstrade, a lighting online exhibition. And thank you for coming and joining our special event today. And may I have your name, please?
Yes. My name is Sam Lai.
Sam Lai, Mr. Sam. Sam, may I call you Sam?
Yeah.
You can call me by Jane.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you. Wow, a handsome Sam is with our Guangdong Nightjar lighting company. And yes, thank you. Sam, would you like to give some detailed introduction of your company? Because all our introduction interview will be carried in English and will be brought overseas to YouTube and Facebook. And you have totally like 15 minutes for your introduction. Okay, if you're ready, let's go.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Hello, Sam. Are you still there? Hi, Sam.
Let me show my lighting to you.
So this is your office or factory?
Yes.
Oh, great.
Okay. Let me.
How many squares of this? How large is this area?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, I see those lightings.
Yes. This is the LED project lighting.
Yeah, it's projecting.
Yeah. It can.
对，到时候你要把这个开着哦，你别到时候人家值班前你跟人家。
什么 ？What happened?
Hi, Sam.
Yeah, I'm here.
Are you still with me? Yeah. Can you turn on your camera, please? Keep your camera turned on.
Okay.
Yeah, this. Perfect. Yeah, we can see that really very clear.
This is the outdoor lighting.
Ultra lighting.
The moving head bin light. Yeah.
So this is one of your product series.
Yes. This is a 380 watt moving head bin light.
Okay.
You can use it in the building, outdoor building, and the garden.
Yeah, the outdoor ones.
The other event. Outdoor event. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. And the very first thing you are showing me this very cool products. Okay, very good. And do you have any other product series to introduce?
Yes, the laser.
Laser.
Wait a minute. Okay.
Okay.
This is the outdoor laser.
This is the outdoor laser.
Outdoor laser. Wait a minute. Sorry.
Okay, sure, don't worry. It's very good. You're hosting very good, and your English pronunciation is good.
Yeah.
Wow, it's heavy. Be patient. Be careful.
That's the 38 kilometer kg.
Yeah, 38 kilometer laser light. Yes. So it's far away from the wall, and your laser light is going to. Wow, I see. All projecting. Wow.
Yes.
Oh, it's fantastic. Wow. You have a circle on the door, the laser circle. Oh, that's great. Can you change color?
Yes, this is the blue color.
Yeah,
and
blue color.
The greens and the red color. RGB.
Yeah.
On the other, it can provide 3 to 5 kilometers.
3 to 5 kilometers? Oh, that long? Wow.
Yes, it is very bright and very long.
So what's the main application since you are applying this product, for example, on the bridge, on the highway?
Yes, highway. Yes.
I think I saw one on the highway. When I drove, in the dark night, this projector just will wake me up.
Yes.
Oh. And I see you still have a production that a waterproof, waterweight
yes.
light.
All these lights is waterproof.
Waterproof, IP7 or IP6?
IP 65.
IP6?
65.
Oh, 65.
Yes, yes.
That's great.
It is the outdoor LED project water wave light.
Waterweight. Oh, I see. Wow.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
RGBW and the yellow. Yes.
Oh, it's diffusion.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, it's creative. It's pretty.
Yeah. Thank you.
I think my boss would love it.
it changes the color.
Yeah.
Color and
Yeah.
one by one. This is the green color.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow, this session will be broadcast overseas. Wow, I guess it's great.
Thank you.
And how long is the lifespan of the production? 3 years of warranty or 5 years of warranty? Warranty.
You can warranty. You can we can do 2 years.
2 years.
Warranty. Yes.
International warranty.
Yes.
2 years. Yes, great.
Okay. That's okay. That's no problem because it is the LED lamp bulb. LED lamp.
Oh,
yellow color. Yellow color. Yes.
Oh, great. And anything else? Any other production you want to visit?
Sorry again.
Do you have any other products or just the 3 series?
Yes.
Okay, the 3 is your main products.
Okay.
Okay, I see from your profile and your base area of 3,000 square meters. Wow, that's a great one. And where you locate in Guangzhou?
Yes. I'm located in Guangzhou.
Guangzhou, Baiyun, right?
Yeah. This is the fire.
It's fire.
Yeah.
It's so vivid.
Yeah. Thank you.
So the diagram, so the patterns can be programmed, right?
Yes.
For example, I want to show you some water and show you some fire and show you a moon, show you a mountain, and then you can just program those diagrams. You can program them. Okay, these patterns are programmable. That's great. And when did you establish your company?
Sorry again.
When did you establish your company? Have your company from 2010 or 20 over 10 years?
2010. 2010. Yes.
So 11 years. 11 years. Wow, you have this capability. That's really good. Wow. I see.
We have sold many these lights to the other countries. For example, the American and the
America,
American and the Mexico.
Mexico, yeah.
The Indo, yeah.
Mexico, yeah.
Yeah.
So I see you have the certification or international certification to export those products to those countries. So your main customers of you, main customers are from Mexico, America.
Yes, Indo.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay. May I ask you, have you tried any e-commerce shopping channel like Amazon or Shopify like that to sell your products? Have you ever tried some e-commerce?
E-commerce? Sorry, I don't know what's the e-commerce.
Oh, haven't tried because your product is customized and you need to talk and it's a B2B business one, not like shopping online like B2C that easy. Okay, I see that. And may I ask what's the minimum of quotation MOQ of your products? If a customer, yeah. How many?
Yes.
Like
a lot.
Oh, the more the better. The more the better. Yes.
Yeah.
If someone just wanted to order 2 or 3 samples of your products, is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, is that okay? Just to talk and have a conversation of you. That's great.
Yeah.
And Sam, can I ask you, because I know that you are located in Baiyun, Guangzhou, and I see because the COVID-19, the virus, does the virus a little bit affecting your business? For example, the international shipping, the exchange of a fluctuation, and the virus situation overseas. Anything have affecting your factories?
Everything is okay.
Oh, everything is okay.
Yeah.
So last year, the revenue is good. The money is good. Last year.
Yeah.
Oh,
last
great.
year we have so many lights to the other countries. Even though the situation is bad.
Yeah, the situation is bad. Yes.
Yes, for the value, but that's all right because my products is very popular in the all over the world.
Yes, I see that your production are so popular, and it attracts me. It's great. So another question is: will you consider transferring from export to domestic market? 出口转内销, will you ever consider about that when time goes difficult?
Yes. We have 出口转内销. We have doing.
Okay. I still some tough questions.
Sorry, my English is full.
It's very good. It's very good, actually.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sam. Well, actually, as our first guest, I see that you have gave up a full, detailed, and vivid factory tour, and this is a real factory tour. I really want to see. We are visiting your factory just online, but it seems like no distance. Thank you, Sam. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Anything you would like to add or next time?
Yes. Okay.
See you next time. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Okay, so we just finished up. Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for watching a Lightstrade online exhibition. Hi, good morning. If you are now in this special chamber, and would you like to comment below and let me show and show me that you are here? Well, I'm Jane, and I'm the host of today's factory tour. And a big welcome, everyone. Yeah, for those people that just entered, I just want to repeat that this is a Lightstrade special event. It's factory tour. Though there is COVID-19 affecting, we have managed to have this special event as Lightstrade online factory tour, which has gathered over hundreds of top light factories in China to participate online and on live. And this whole event session will be lasting for 3 days from today, 15th June to 17th. Thank you. Thanks. Today, Jen will be your host and walk you through over 20, not over 20, I think it is 30 leading lighting Chinese factories online today. Thank you. And right now, I'm with the first factory. And before we started the first factory tour, I would like to comment below because this factory tour actually is doing in all English environment. And all these sessions will be broadcast overseas later via Lightstrade as social network channels on Facebook, on Twitter, and on YouTube, LinkedIn, etc. So please follow us on social network channels by searching Lightstrade. And the Lightstrade, here, our logo here, Lightstrade. So now we are having our first company waiting online. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience waiting, and let's big welcome to our first company.